I feel like there should be age restrictions for driving. At some point, you just gotta give up the license, boo. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogtober. Getting ready to go out the door. I'm not doing too much makeup. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows because I just cannot be outside with no eyebrows. And then need to fix that. Do eyebrows, a little concealer, and mascara. And of course lip gloss, but my son is literally sitting on my feet. What's today? Today is Saturday. I literally woke up and thought today was Sunday. Like my husband was getting ready for work and I was like, nigga, what is you doing? He was like, I'm going to work. Like, but it's Sunday. He was like, it's definitely Saturday. I'm losing it, y'all. I am losing it. I guess like yesterday was so busy. I just been chaotic. It's usually how my Saturdays go. Luckily, I get to live that all over again. So we have some shopping to do today. I might try to get some Christmas shopping in. I don't know. And when I say Christmas shopping, I mean like decor. Because I'm very much into Christmas. I don't think we're gonna do anything for Thanksgiving. Like no visitors. We just gonna chill out and relax. Maybe get something, you know, for us to eat or whatever, but yeah, I think we're just gonna relax. So I'm only decorating for Christmas. I'm finally dressed and for it's ready to go. I don't know if I like my hair, but it is what it is. I'm just changing purses. AirPods, check. Lippy that I'm wearing, I think it's already in there. Little lip gloss, little lotion, money, and hand sanitizer. It's really all I need. What's my battery looking like? I don't know, it's not telling me. This is what we're looking like. Super casual. Okay, I got this shirt from like Shein a gazillion, well maybe like 2 years ago. Again, I'm not 100% sure about my hair, but it is what it is. Got my X game mode Crocs. You know what I'm saying? Just in case I got them. Okay, y'all. We're at the first stop of the day. Hopefully we only have 2 stops. But we're at Home Goods. I just opened up this Home Goods in my area, so my hair. Yeah, we're gonna try this mug out, see if I can see any any goodies. This joint is packed. Okay, I don't know when they opened. It had to be in the last week, but this joint is packed. Okay, my baby is knocked out in the back seat. He's so sleepy. If the lines was too long, I ain't even gonna trip. I ain't even gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna go and do what I gotta do and then go home. But I do want to stop here, so we'll see what they talking about. sorry, y'all, it's hot. And it's a no-go for Home Goods. It was giving very much packed. My anxiety for as many people were in there was not letting me have it. Like, no thank you. I had to get up out of there. They did have some really nice stuff though. Like, I would love to go back when it's not packed and actually shop. I don't know when that would be. Okay, whenever they calm down, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna go to Ulta. Oh, what just happened here? Ma'am? Ma'am. Okay. I feel like there should be age restrictions for driving. At some point, you just gotta give up the license, boo. I love it when you call me Big Papa. If it's a true player. We're home. Last night we didn't make the crab cakes. We had Papa's Cantina instead. Y'all, they steak fajitas are fire. Okay, fire. But tonight I'm making the crab cakes. So I need to clean up my kitchen and then cook and then clean again. And I need to feed my baby again because he ate before we came home, but I feel like he's still hungry, so I can freak you till the morning and get on top and right on it. He be so unbothered by me, it's ridiculous. What's up, y'all? We're getting ready to head out and run errands for the day. Still super bright. Anyway, I'm getting stuff together. So, yeah, we're just gonna run to a couple stores. Typical Sunday errands. And I'm just packing his for us to go back. They better what? That has to come in blue anyways. Well, I guess I don't have to.
Yeah. Wow. I tell everybody that.
Got some stuff from, or getting some stuff from Party City for Forrest's birthday. Just starting the spending money process, you know what I'm saying? We need to see if they have any balloons. I don't think they have any though. Oh, that was weird. Well, correction. Clearly they have balloons. Cookie Monster balloons is what we're looking for, but they don't seem to exist.
Cookie Monster. Let me see if he'll put that on his head.
Okay. Immediately no. Is this it though? I think this is it for Sesame Street.
Damn.
I might have to just buy stuff online, I guess.
The reason we were coming in here to see just that they had it.
Yeah.